How to change the home screen mode, whether it's the home screen with the app drawer or the classic mode where all the apps are simply on your home screen. This is a Poco X7 Pro phone, and if you want to make changes to these settings, here's where you can go to do this. To find the home screen mode on your Poco X7 Pro, just go ahead and long press a blank area like this here, then go into the settings found to the bottom right here. As you're here now, you'll go to where it says More right there. And now that you're here, the very first option would be the one that has the app drawer right there. Home screen, app drawer. So when you first get your phone and you set it up, you'll most likely end up in the one with the app drawer. Now, just for clarity's sakes here, for the app drawer, basically it is this here. You have your home screen, you have these here, and you also have the ability to swipe up and get access to all the apps found on your phone instead of having everything on your home screen, all right? Now, if you want that option, you wanna make sure you stay with this one here, the one that says with app drawer. You have these other options, suggestions. You can manage the app categories, the background here, which will give you a different color layout for the app drawer. If you want it in a black mode or dark mode, you can also manage the categories here and place new apps onto the home screen. With this turned on, if you install a new app, it'll not only be in the app drawer, but also appear onto the home screen. And you can also group them by colors, and that's up to you to make that decision. Now, if you decide to go with the classic, everything's gonna be on your home screen. So if I come back here, it's gonna reset itself, and now you won't have that swipe up app drawer. You'll just have that quick search here for you, and that's about it, but no app drawer, and all the apps will be on your home screen. And of course, you can just come back later on and change it back to the mode that you want it to be in, like and so.